Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful bracelet out of crystals and seed beads. It's really easy to make, and when I show you how I'm making this element, you could make earrings out of it, pendant, necklaces, and here I'm showing a bracelet. So, if you like what I'm showing you here, it's a good idea to subscribe and also like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. And when you subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell and be notified for my next videos. Thank you so much for watching. Now I will start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so in this video what we are going to use are 4 by 6 millimeters faceted crystals, also called rondelles, and I'm using 8/0 beads in this white color, and I'm using 3 colors of 11/0 seed beads. I'm using a clasp here, a toggle clasp, and 2 jump rings. I'm using pliers to attach my clasp and to squeeze my monofilament, that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters. I squeeze it to go through size 10 beading needle that I'm using in this tutorial, and I'm using this instrument to cut closer to my work, but you could use scissors if you want. So now I will take 2.5 feet of thread, which is about 75 centimeters, and I will put it on my needle and I'll be back. Okay guys, now I have 2.5 feet of thread on my needle, which is 75 centimeters, and I'm going to start by picking up 6 of these beautiful 8/0s. Okay, and I have my 6 here, and I'm going to slide them down. I will stick my needle in my mat and I will make a knot. And the way I'm making my knot is the same way I showed you many times before. I'm making a loop and I'm going once, then I'm going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling, making sure I'm between those 2 beads where I started my knot, and now I have a circle of beads here. Okay, now what I want to do is go through some beads in this direction, and I'm going to start adding pink beads. So I have this pink bead and I'm going through, I'm exiting out of this white bead and I'm going to the next one. Then I need one more pink and I'm going to the next white bead, and I'm going to continue this until the end of this row. Okay guys, and now I'm adding my last pink bead. I'm putting it here and I'm going out of my next white one and my next pink one, and now I'm going to start adding blue. So I'm taking 3 blue beads, and as I'm exiting from this pink one, I'm going through the next pink. Fixing my thread, now this is what I have. Then I need 3 more blue, okay, and I'm going through the pink one, and 3 more, going through the pink, and guess what, I'm going to continue this until the end of this row. Okay, now I finished this row, and as I'm exiting from this pink one here, I will go through these 2 blue ones here, and I'm exiting out of this point here. And now I need 2 white beads, 1 crystal, and then again 2 white beads, and this is what I have on my needle. And as I'm exiting from this blue one, I'm going through the next one here on the top, and I need 2 more white beads, 1 crystal, and then again 2 white beads. This is what I have, and I'm going through the next blue. Two white beads, 1 crystal, 2 white beads, going here, and I'm going to continue doing this 3 more times, and don't worry if it bends and moves. This is okay, we will fix it in our next row. Okay, now this is what I have, and then what I'm going to do is go through these 2 white beads here in this direction. Then I want to go through the crystal and through the following white bead. Okay, this is what I have. Now I'm going to take just 1 pink bead, and I'm going through the next white and through my next crystal. Now this is what I have. Then I'm going through this white here, taking just 1 pink bead, and going through the following white and through the crystal. Okay, now this is what I have. Go through this white one, take just 1 pink, and go through the next white and through the crystal, and continue doing this until the end of this row. Okay guys, now I finished this row, and this tail thread here is always in the way, so I'm going to cut it. Okay, and now in my next step, what I'm going to do is to add my edge of white beads. Okay, so I will go through these 3 beads here and exit out of this white one before my crystal. Now what I'm going to do is take 7 white beads. Okay, I have my 7 here, and I'm going through the next white bead here after my crystal. Okay, then I'm going through this white before the crystal. I'm going through all of those 3 beads, and what I need are 7 more white beads. Okay, and I have my 7 again, and I'm going through these 3 beads here. And again 7. Going through the next 3 beads. Okay guys, now continue this until the end of this row, and I'll be back to tell you how to finish your element. Okay, and I'm adding my last 7 beads from this row. So now this is what I have, and you could go a few more times reinforcing this element. Just go around the edge through all of your beads if you want your element to be really tight and look good. And at one point, when you decide you're ready reinforcing, you could make a knot, and you could make a knot by going through between those two beads and making a loop and going once, then going second time through the loop I've made, and this is called surgeon's knot, and pull. And you could continue doing this several more times, and when you're ready, just cut your thread. Okay guys, and then make 7 flowers just like this one, but you could decide inversing the colors like I did in these 3 flowers here. You could make one and the same colors, it's up to you. And now I'm going to put about 4 feet of thread on my needle, which is 1.20 centimeters, and I will start here. Okay, what I want to do is go through some beads and attach this thread here. Okay, now I will make a loop here. And I will go once, and I will go a second time through the loop I've made, and then I'm pulling, and when I pull I have this. Now what I want to do is go through all of my beads here, and I'm going to cut my tail thread. Okay, so I'm going through all of my beads, and I'm exiting here 3 beads before this pink one. Okay, and I need 5 blue beads. Okay, I have my 5, and I'm going again here 3 beads before my pink one. I'm making something like a loop where I will attach my jump ring. Okay, now I'm going to reinforce this loop here. Okay, and you could reinforce it 3 or 4 times. And now I'm exiting here between those 2 beads, and my goal is to exit from the other side of my flower. That is why I'm taking the shortcut and going through all of those beads. Okay, now what I want to do is exit here 2 beads before my pink one. Okay, now I'm going to take my second flower, let's say this one, and I will count 1 bead, 1 white and 1 pink bead here, and I will go after this pink one, just like that. So my thread is exiting out of this white one, and then I'm going through these 2 pink beads. And what I do is that I go one more time through these 2 white beads, and this way I connect those 2 elements here. Then I will go one more time reinforcing this joint. Okay, and you could do 3 times, but now I will show you faster. And I want to connect the other part of my flowers, so I'm going through some beads here, pulling my thread. Okay, and what I want to do is exit here. Now I want to connect those 2 beads with those 2 beads. You see where I'm connecting. Here I have 2 beads. I'm 2 beads away from this pink one. Here I'm 2 beads away from this pink one. And here I'm 2 beads away from this blue one. And 2 beads away from this blue one. Okay, and so I'm connecting my elements 2 beads away from this central bead. Whether it's pink or blue, it doesn't matter. Okay, and it's good to reinforce this, let's say 3 times. Okay, now go around here and connect your next element, and continue doing this until your bracelet is ready. And when you're done, I will be back to show you how to attach your ear wire. Okay guys, and now I connected all of my flowers the same way I showed you, and now I'm here at the end where I'm going to show you how to finish your bracelet, and this is the same way that I did it from the other side. I'm taking 5 blue beads, and as I'm exiting here 3 beads away from this central one, I will go from the other side again, 3 beads away from the other side, and I have 5 here on my needle, and I'm going to pull. Now this is what I have, and I will go reinforcing this joint here at least 3 times, and then I will make some knots and I will cut my thread, and I'll be back. Okay, and I reinforce this part here, and now I'm between those 2 white beads, and I will go through my crystal, and here I will show you how I'm making my knots. Okay, I'm going between those 2 beads, making a loop with my thread, and going once and going second time through this loop, making a sergeant's knot this way, and I'm pulling. Okay, and I will repeat this several more times, and when I'm ready I will cut my thread. Okay guys, now my bracelet is almost ready. I just need to attach my clasp. Okay, and I have here a jump ring and part of my clasp, and I will take my jump ring. It's better to do this with 2 pliers, but now I will show you faster with 1 plier. Okay, and I will put this here and my jump ring here, and now I'm going to squeeze back, and now I'm going to squeeze back my jump ring just like that, and this is what I have, and I will repeat this from the other side and my bracelet will be ready. Okay guys, and now my bracelet is ready. So if you like it and you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and also like, share and comment. And I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.